Okay, we're on the other side of our statistics page, and we're actually going to be going back and forth between two places to take notes, so be paying attention to that. But this is going to be our statistics, and we're going to abbreviate stats glossary. Remember that a glossary is kind of like a mini dictionary. So the first word that we are putting in here is mean. And mean is what you get when people usually talk about the average. Another way to think of it is a fair share. So if we put all of the data values in together and then divided them equally, you can also think of it as just what it is, which is the sum of all the values in a set divided by the number of values. And we're going to talk more about that and how you calculate it on page 48. Oh, got some more notes in here. All right. So this page is going to be all about the mean. So if we have, let's say that my friends and I are going out to eat, and I say, all right, everybody, how much money do you have? And somebody says, I have $8, I have $6, I have $15, I have $4, I have $0, I have $3, I have $5. And we decide, because we're all good friends, we don't want anybody to be left out, that we will just pool the money and distribute it equally to the 7 people. So we're going to take all this money and put it into the pot, or just combine it, and then we're going to split it up so that everybody has an equal amount. 7 arrows, because there are 7 people. Even this person that didn't bring anything is still a person that we want to make sure gets to eat. So finding the mean is pretty easy, especially since you get to use calculators. So we do 8 plus 6 plus 15 plus 4 plus 0 plus 3 plus 5, right? Because we're combining it all together. And in math, we combine things with addition. Okay, so I add them all up. 8 and 6 is 14. 14 plus 15 is 29. 29 plus 4 is 33. Still 33, 36, and 41. So now I'm going to do 41 divided by 7, because there's 7 of us. And each person is going to get, it's a decimal, it's 5.8571428. So let's round to the nearest thousandth. So each person will get $5.85. So $5.85 goes to each one of them, because that is the mean. This also means that if you asked me, on average, how much did each of your friends have? I could say, well, on average, they had $5.85. Now notice that nobody actually had $5.85. That was just the average when we took, the person that had 0 and the person who had 15 and figured out what was in the middle. And it's important to remember we're dividing by the number of numbers we have in the set. So if we had 40 numbers in the set, we need to divide by 40. But that is how to find the mean.